Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be sharing with you yet another interesting mold by Resin, and this is such a cute tiny mold, but I'm going to show you a very useful way of using that. So here I'm mixing my resin, so you need a very less amount of resin for this mold. So here I'm mixing pink color into my resin. So here we go, and this is the mold. It is very cute mold, and I'm going to pour this resin into the mold. So again, I'm using a low viscosity resin here. So here after that, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I have demolded already, and now I'm going to use a blue color. So it is a pink color, it is a blue color, so it has something to do with a baby boy and a baby girl. So here I'm going to pour the resin again into the mold. And this is done now, and I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and the moment of truth, I'm going to show you what is the mold all about. So this is the mold, and you can see how cute these baby shoes are, one in pink and one in blue. So they have a crystal finish. If you're going to use a transparent, you can see that they have a very lovely crystal finish. So I'm going to take this to next level. Now you can do that, you can add ribbons to these and you can make them ornaments also for your Christmas if you have anyone arriving soon. But I'm showing you another way also. So two coasters, one is going to be a light blue, and I'm going to add a little bit of light blue or flakes into the resin. And similarly pink aura flakes into the other one. So I added a blue interference pigment into the resin and then the aura flakes. So I want them to be a bit on the clearer side, and now I'm going to pour this into the mold. And for my pink one, I'm going to add a pink interference pigment. So it is a mica pigment. I'm trying my best to put a little bit, but I did add a little more than I wanted, but we will see how this turns out. So this looks good, and now I'm going to pour this into the mold. And after that, I'm going to use my heat gun to remove any bubbles if there are any. So I added a little bit of aura flakes on the top, and after that, I will leave these to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and now on to the next step. And the next step is that I'm going to add some wordings. So my Cricut machine is not very helpful with me because I am not so you can say easy with my machine. I am using it, still very new to using my Cricut machine. So yeah, whatever comes out of it, I'm really happy to use it. So instead of using a baby girl or a baby boy, I searched for some quotes, and these were the one that I liked the most. So here I'm going to put them onto the coasters. I know they are a bit on the smaller side, but I'm a still new learner of the Cricut machine, so I will slowly learn. So for my boy one, I thought I'm going to do a dream big little man. So very carefully I'm going to apply it. So here we go, this is the wording. And now on to the other one. And for my other one, I did such a big miracle in such a little girl. So I really liked them. They had such a lovely meaning behind them, so I used them. So after doing a little bit of struggle, it is done now, and this is how they are looking like. And on to the next step. And for my next step, I have collected some, you can say, bits and pieces to complete the coasters. So I am doing the final coat of the top layer for my resin. You can make them in any color, if it's really up to you. You can make them into rainbow colors because there are so many rainbow childs also. So it's going to be a really treat. You can make a rainbow coaster, and plus you can make them as an ornaments also for your Christmas tree. And then one thing more, this is a very lovely business idea also. If you want to make keepsakes for your customers, you can add, again I'm going to tell you because it is one thing that I use a lot, crystals. You can add crystals, then you can anything else that they want you to add to their keepsake piece. So I'm just using my heat gun to move my resin. So in this way, this is my way of using it. In this way, the bubbles are eliminated and I get a very clear top coat. Pink goes there and blue goes here. So already this coaster is looking lovely if you want to keep it simple, but you know me that I have to do something really different. So this is what I will be doing here. I am just looking around in my craft room and I'm going to find something to add. So these are a little glass. There are little stars inside that move. So it is a lovely, interesting add to the coaster. And then I have some sweets that are meant for the kawaii, using for the phones, cases, and other decoration items. They are looking so cute. So I think they look lovely on this. So I'm going to search few and then add them. You can also add the resin crystals in different colors, pink for pink, blue for blue, or you can add a golden color also or a clear one. So in this one I added a star and then a sugar in this one. So these are tiny bits to just jazz up your coaster. Then I have some mini lollipops. I'm going to add that also. So this is the part of the process to just enhance the beauty of your coaster and making them one of a kind. So whenever it is a business idea or if you're giving a gift to anyone, they feel really special. Even it is handmade, it is really special, but then you add extras to them. So it is really lovely. So here I'm adding the lollipops that I told you. They are very miniature style. So this is what I will be doing to both of the coasters now. So these are done now and I will leave this to cure. So this is the next day. Yes, I added a little bit of gold foil to the pink one and a silver foil to the blue one. Yes, I do that. But I think it is looking amazing. So it is time to demold and I'm going to see, you can see that it is a transparent side that I explained. But I'm loving the end result of this coaster. And here is the other one. And now with my markers, the chrome markers, I'm going to do the edging and gold for the pink one and silver for the blue one. So as I explained that I will be doing the edging here. So this is the final step of the coasters. Now let's see how they look like. So this is the final look of the coasters. As I showed you, they turned out to be really lovely and cute. So I really love the end result, and with that small mold you can create something so big. And this is an idea for you if you just have the mold and you don't know what to do with this. So this is an idea for you, and also I've given few ideas in the video also. So I will link everything in my description. And this mold is from Into Resin and they are very kind to give 20%, 25% off during this festive season. So if you have any mold in your mind that you want to purchase, this is the time and you can treat yourself with the lovely discount they are having. So everything will be in my description. That's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video. And if you do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And take good care of yourself. Bye bye.